Alright, so I'm making this video just to make sure that it reach people who are generally modern to the computing and prefer this platform to get some information. In essence, I wrote few words about very trivialities about two specific things while you are sitting on Debian Linux. These are abject ordinary, but again I'm just recording this video for the people to consume more in this platform, and if you don't prefer to read through the written stuff which I have done yesterday in my blog. So basically, to show two things. One, to by default you couldn't find the install time in Debian package, so there is a way to find out about how the package when the package get installed with the time stamp. And another one which will show you. Okay, let me explore it first. So let me go to my Emacs. This is Emacs client running in terminal mode as usual. The first one is, let me find the file first. So you see, this is so ordinary in a sense. It's just a one-line function, but what it does, it basically calling the dpackage query binary, okay, with -w and -f2 options are there, right? And it is calling the internal package variable as well as this dvfsys with this method last modified. Okay, then it's sorting out. I'm just literally reading out what has been written, then awk, and then calling inside the printf, normal printf with some precision, and lastly it will call str time, which will give you the time related to that. Okay, so now to show you the output of it, if I do Control-C, Control-X, and hopefully it will see. You see on the right hand side buffer, it attached the timestamp with the package, right? It is helpful in a sense when it was basically the package installed. It will query the stuff. These two variable you see on the left hand side buffer, my cursor is hovering. It queries the package and it gets the last modified stuff from the dvfsys variable. So basically it will show you the package when it was installed in Debian system. Okay, so this is a little way of doing stuff. It might come in handy if you use this. I don't know whether I have uploaded this stuff in the public repo, but if you want, let me know in the comment section, so I might put it up in one of my public repo where people can get it. Pretty darn simple. So here is one, just to show package install time in Debian. Okay, so I'm getting rid of this, and then again let me. So this is what I wrote yesterday. Okay, so if you are not the second one will be how to reconfigure stuff. This is so you see, I'm not going to execute this, but just for your curiosity's sake, as you might not consume the written version, which is almost identical to this commentary related this video. So it's basically a function which expecting an argument as package name, and then it ran through a apt-get, then it will queries the internal variables, okay, and it will, and these two options are pretty standard, install and reinstall. So basically, if some of the package got broken or not properly installed, you could have tried this to get things properly installed or provided something else not badly broken somewhere else. Okay, so if you are highly curious enough, I ask you to look into the what I say, the option what it provides. Okay, so this the little function which might fix some of the broken stuff if you're sitting on Debian Linux. Okay, so these two things Debian package. So you see, two trivial stuff, a simple function which might help you to get on with Debian if the situation occur. Okay, so I thought to share with you because time to time I fall back onto this if something screwed up or something I need to find out. Like on the right hand side, just show me the when the package gets installed with the time. Okay, so little tiny stuff which might come in handy. That's why I'm making this video. So, or if you are inclined to have a different version, as I said before, this is right in my blog. I wrote it yesterday, so you might go through it. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.